Colorful Cute Kids.
Hi friends, welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. Today, we're going to draw and color Peppa Pig brushing dirty teeth. First, I'll draw her nose. Then, on her head, I'll draw a cute little hat like this. The hat has a picture of a tooth on it. How fun! Next, I'll draw her eyes, mouth, and cheeks like this. After that, I'll draw her body. She's holding something. Can you guess what it is? Oh, it's a giant toothbrush. Now, I'll draw a big jaw model right here. Follow along with me. Look, these teeth are dirty because they haven't been brushed. Remember, kids, always brush your teeth before bed and after eating to keep them clean and shiny. Now, I'll use a black marker to make the drawing stand out more. Let's color together. First, I'll use light pink to color Peppa Pig's skin. Then, I'll color her nose and cheeks a brighter pink. For her hat, I'll use dark blue and sky blue. Next, I'll color her pretty red dress. For the giant toothbrush, I'll use dark blue like this. Now, let's color the jaw model. These for teeth here are clean, no dirt at all. But the other teeth on this side are still dirty and discolored. I'll use orange and green to show the food stuck on the dirty teeth like this. Next, I'll color the gums pink. Finally, I'll use green to finish it off. Great job, everyone! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye!